What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from SaaS University, and let's take a look at some micro SaaS success stories and companies to give you some inspiration for your day here. Got some really cool companies. All these companies are generating revenue, and they're going to cover quite a few different businesses and niches. Before I dive into it, I want to mention the Solo SaaS Academy. It's my very own course that's going to take you step by step on how to build your own SaaS company from idea generation to generating over $1,000 a month in revenue. Now, this isn't going to be a technical course here in terms of learning HTML, JavaScript, or CSS, or anything like that. This is going to take you into actionable steps you can take in a framework that's going to help you get to the first $1,000 a month in revenue. Now, I am a solo SaaS founder myself, and I want to take all the experience I've learned in building my own successful SaaS company and package it all into an easy to understand course. As running a SaaS company has changed my life, I've been able to quit my job as an accountant, and I now run my own SaaS apps full time, and I can do it from anywhere across the globe, and I get to choose what I want to work on, and it is an awesome experience, and I want to be able to enable that for you through this course here. There's a link in the description below to apply for early access. It's going to guarantee you a discounted rate when the course does come out. So again, a link in the description below to apply for early access, a discounted rate when the course is released. So now let's dive into micro SaaS success stories and examples of a cool company there. The next one's going to be Pencil Bible. It's a beautifully simple Bible app for journaling, crafting notes, and visually capturing scripture. As you can see here, it's available on the App Store. It allows you to really mimic that paper experience where you can make edits and highlight things. And Bible journaling is an exciting way to engage with scripture, and it can transform the way you spend time in the Word. Apart from just their SaaS subscription, they do have apparel as well, so they're trying to expand revenue there. Next, we'll take a look at Serverless. It's going to allow you to build SaaS apps faster. It's a starter kit that serves as the perfect starting point for SaaS products, allowing you to save months and development time, skipping things such as authentication, payments, teams, and more. So allow you to do things such as landing page building, blog building, users and authentication, as well as subscription payments through Stripe. You can manage a team, send things such as transactional emails, as well as have an admin dashboard. And so it's being a SaaS resource, so when you're building a SaaS app, it can help speed up the process. Overall, really positive reviews here, saying it's a high quality starter kit, everything's well documented, and a really helpful founder here. As you can see, Jake's been quoted here as just being really good customer service and very responsive. In terms of pricing, they do have a lifetime one-time membership, or they do have a yearly plan as well, just depending what you're looking for. Next, we'll take a look at Projection Labs. So you can build financial plans you love, so you can simulate your financial future and chart a course towards your best life. Makes it really easy to plan here, so you can do certain things such as retirement planning, spouse's retirement, financial independence, a first home, as well as different visualizations for your life here to see how much your net worth is. You can keep your account secure. There's also international scenarios, and you can track your progress over time. Overall, quite a few scenarios here in terms of how you can build out your tracking. And in terms of pricing, it could be $12 a month, and they charge a pro plan of $60 a month here. It's really just going to depend on what you're looking for. They do have more of an agency plan as well, so if you have multiple clients or a couch for financial advising. Kyle is the creator of Projection Labs, and he was looking for something that was flexible financial planning. So great to see with his SaaS product here and what he's created. Kip Houston, and it's illustrations for your next web project. So it's ready to use illustrations used by great companies such as TED, Pinterest, GoDaddy. You can see you have different icon packs, different illustrations, and these would be time consuming for you to create for yourself. So it's great having access to a library of these. And it was started by Igor Kapustin, and he's an independent illustrator focused on small illustration sets and big systems for startups, SaaS products, and agencies. Overall, great reviews here from people who have used these illustrations. Lastly, let's take a look at Schooled. It's going to be an efficient way, an alternative to something like Stack Overflow. It's going to be self-hosted as well. So it's an open source, works as a great Q&A, forum, knowledge base, or customer support platform, and it's deployable on the cloud. So it's a full-featured Q&A platform with things such as full text search, reputation and badges, geolocation filtering, social login, SEO friendly. So it's going to have an open source section, and you're going to have premium as well for unlimited spaces, mentions, file uploads, wiki-style answers, and integrates with things such as Slack, Microsoft Team, Mattermost, and Zapier. If we take a look at the demo, it is very full-fledged here and very nicely organized. It's used by teams in Roblox, Cisco, IBM, and Home Depot. So the way they're going to make money here is for pro hosting. So instead of hosting it for yourself, you're getting them to host it, and there's different pricing plans, the number of servers you want, and the number of users is unlimited for each of them. So overall, this concludes the video of micro-saas success stories. We looked at a few different micro-saases here, ranging in complexity and pricing. Let me know in the comments what you think of these, and if you wanted to add any more to this list. Before I go, I just want to mention the Solo SaaS Academy again. It's going to take you from idea generation to generating your first $1,000 a month in revenue. So make sure you apply for early access, as there's a link in the description below. So this is going to conclude the video here. If you enjoyed it, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you again. I'll see you in our next video.